Welcome back. Let's get things rolling out there this morning. Plenty of active weather that is developing here at this point. We have some ice along the roadways in Rhinelander, and even some ice hanging from the lights right about in here. That's why schools are closing in parts of Oneida County today and other spots as well. So definitely be smart if you do have to head out. Winter storm warnings. The first round of winter storm warnings posted here will last until about 7 to 8 a.m. this morning, and that's as round one. There is a winter storm watch behind this, and that's because of our next round that will be moving in later on tonight and the parts of tomorrow morning, with very heavy snowfall that will be possible across the area. But for now, we're just seeing this wintry mix that's developing. You can see some of the returns from Wausau to Rhinelander, and a little bit of snow off towards the north as well. But further down to the south, they had some good rain this morning, and even a few rumbles of thunder as some thunderstorms were moving through. But for us, though, it is that wintry mix we were dealing with this morning. And we're going to keep dealing with this for a few more hours, but later on today, by about midday or so, we'll catch a little bit of a break. But still, a few rain showers still cannot be ruled out in most cases. But with temperatures getting above freezing, the ice part will be done at least until tonight. But otherwise, moving forward, here's the area of low pressure located right about in here. This is the main game now that's tracking off towards the east, and we'll see more active weather developing later on today with severe thunderstorms in the southern parts of the U.S. And for us, though, a winter storm that will be on the way, round two of a winter storm that will be on the way. But otherwise, though, look at this with this dynamic system. We do have chances for some storms here across the northwoods. Nothing too dynamic, mainly just general storms possible. The more stronger storms will be across the southern parts of Wisconsin, where some severe storms are possible there. If you head in the southern parts of the state as well, or especially in the parts of Illinois, Iowa, and Missouri, stronger opportunities for severe weather. So these areas will need to be careful. Say, if you know anyone in these areas, give them a call, or if you're heading into these areas, be careful as well. Those storms will mean business there. And the winter storm in our neck of the woods will mean business too, with plenty of snowfall and maybe some ice on the way too. So a very dynamic system that we will be dealing with. Another round of some showers, maybe a few rumbles of thunder today, maybe a little bit of some wintry precipitation off toward the north. But here's the break through the afternoon with a few rain showers possible. Another wave of moisture gets in here later on by about 6, 7, 8 o'clock later on tonight. Then later in the evening period, plenty of heavy snow will be moving through. We'll on the way until early tomorrow morning by about 7 to 8 o'clock for the snow to start to taper off. The sun comes out late morning to the afternoon period. Roads should start to improve with that stronger sunshine, as well as we'll be approaching April 1st by that time frame as well. So at least some improvement, though, thanks to the sun. We'll have to watch for more clouds approaching as we head towards Sunday morning with another little system that will begin to approach. Still thinking a lot of snow on the way, at least 12 to 18 inches with locally higher amounts before we're all finished up. And the pink areas, around 9 to 12 inches possible, locally higher amounts. The only change to the forecast from last night is I just kind of pushed a little bit of this to the south a bit with the latest trends. But look at this, a little bit of a tighter cutoff from 3 to 6 inches to the south, 6 to 9 inches in the blue. And of course, the pink showing plenty of snowfall possible as well, and especially the red with significant snowfall possible. So we need to be careful either way. And still a little bit of ice possible as well, maybe a tenth of an inch or less of additional ice before we're all finished up with this system. And plenty of water with this as well. 1 to 2 inches of pretty much water before we're all finished up. That could fall as rain, freezing rain, sleet, snow, you name it. That will be possible. So we'll have to watch out for some flash flooding as well. Temperatures right now are starting off in the upper 20s to lower 30s this morning. Those areas near freezing are dealing with the ice this morning. And that's why some roadways are definitely slick, but it's not as bad further down toward the south. So for today, upper 30s, rain, freezing rain, sleet and snow, some dry hours as well, with a northeast wind getting up to about 30 miles per hour. For tonight, lower 20s, that winter mix switching over to snow. It will be heavy at times as well. Northeast wind getting up to around 40 miles per hour. Travel will be difficult, if not impossible, later on tonight and the parts of tomorrow morning. Northwoods Furniture and Mattress, 7-day forecast. Some morning snow before the sun starts to come out. With more chances for rain and snow Sunday. Not as bad, though, mainly during the afternoon. Our only dry day Monday, mostly cloudy, highs in the upper 40s. More active weather again, rain and snow chances Tuesday, Wednesday, and also into Thursday.